Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today on the channel, I am going to be checking out and unboxing and giving you my opinion about the Amika High Tide Deep Waver. This has been all over Instagram, so let me take you right in. Hi, this is Chinmayi, and today on the channel, I am going to be run through. So as soon as you open this, you're opening up the box for the first time, and this is so beautiful. You don't see unnecessary plastic in here, and this additional set of the top plastic and the bottom plastic, and this feels like felt. Of course, the bottom piece is definitely plastic, but it is felt lined. So I'm just going to connect this quickly and see how I can go about using this. So I've switched this on, so it has these 3 barrels that can actually give you the waves that you want. You can actually go in for soft, strong, tousled or loose waves. The other lovely thing about this hair tool, and I am really loving this trip to the US this time, because I see a lot of these tools being internationally, international voltage compatible, and that is brilliant. I'm glad that they have finally thought about this. I'm sure I have said this before, but it's great if you don't have to use an electrical appliance like this, especially a hairdryer or a hair tool, and worry about using a step-down transformer in a different country. So I have switched this on, and it goes up to. It has a digital adjustable temperature from 120 degree Fahrenheit to 39 degree Fahrenheit, which is 50 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, and now it's sitting at 180 degrees. I think it took about a minute to quickly heat up. I'm gonna go. I've never really waved my hair, so I think for those who are into beach waves and the kind of wavy look, I believe they go with either their wow, that's pretty hot. They go either with their curling tongs, or they go with Did that wave? It did wave. So what I'm going to do is, I do need a mirror. I'm still just facing the camera. I need a mirror, so I'm going to go face a mirror, finish waving it with the Amika, what's this? High Tide Deep Waver, and come right back. So this is the finished look with the Amika High Tide Deep Waver. I really like how this has turned out. It, as it said, it did not leave those creases while I was, trying to wave it. I have had my hair waved before professionally, and I would see those lines that would, come through when they try to do it with either a hair straightener or with some other tool. So I really, really like it. And if you're looking for something like this, of course, you would need holding spray so that this style will set and hold. And I really like how this looks, and if you do like it too, just do let me know what you think about this video or this tool in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.